What's going on, everyone? It's Ryan and Blake. We're back for another Local review. Right now we got Ryan's brand new Subaru BRZ.
There she is.
Just picked it up, so we're going to shoot a little review. As always, before the video, so if you're interested in some of the cool shirts that we got out right now, the link's in the description. Without further ado, here it is, the 2013 BRZ.
Alright guys, we are back. Today we are in my 2013 BRZ, the newest addition to the family, and man, I'm excited. I love this car. Let's just start off by saying that. I know you've seen plenty of reviews on how bad this car is, how slow this car is. Well, a little history about me. I've had a 2013 WRX, an 05 WRX that was built crazy. I had an 03 350Z, and my first car was a Scion TC. I know. You'd think it'd be slow, right? For me, it'd be like a slow car, nothing special. I love this car. This car is amazing. It handles better than any car I've ever owned. The reason I went with the 2013 BRZ, there's plenty of things I was looking at. I was looking at Infinitis, G37s, coupes, sedans, all that. I was also interested in the 335i, but I really didn't want to get something that was really expensive to fix. I ended up going with the BRZ because, well, it was close to me. It was in my price range. I just like having the Subaru badge on there. That's really all it comes down to, because they're all the same cars, regardless. Little facts about the car: it is the FA20 non-turbo. Not the fastest car. I'll give you that. It has a massive torque dip between 2,000 and about 4,500 RPMs. But once you get past there, it pulls. I mean, it pulls like crazy. It's a great motor for the car. I think, yeah, it could use a little bit more power, but at the end of the day, like, I don't complain. I pass people when I want to pass people, and I get by them. It's not a straight line car, but you know, you still have fun in it. It's not like it's too slow. I never get tired when I'm driving. I never get bored. It's always fun.
It's a fun car. This car is a really fun car. So getting into pricing about the BRZs, so as we stand, this is a 2013, so it's a little bit older of a model, and he has pretty low miles on this thing. So when you're looking to go get a BRZ or an FRS or anything like that, keep in mind that these cars are really affordable. Ryan told me that he read an article saying how these things are the best bang for your buck if you want the closest thing to a Porsche, if you want less money to spend, because you sit so close to this wheel. It's right here. You feel like you're in a go-kart. The nice thing is you're going to be spending around 20 grand plus or minus. You might be spending less depending on the miles. You might be spending a little bit more. This car is easily within a $300 a month payment if you're looking to finance something like this. Even less. It could be something in the 200s depending on the terms and how much money you want to put down. But this car is definitely really good as far as pricing and super affordable. And the price you're paying for this thing, the way it sits into the corners, is just unbelievable. Like, it's just sticking. It's just sticking to these corners like glue.
So a couple cons about the car, stuff I don't really like. The torque dip, as if you've watched any review ever, you know that the torque dip is horrible in this car. That can be fixed with headers, intake, tune, and exhaust. Not a big deal. The window. Every time the window is slightly even moist and you roll it down, it squeaks, it yells. It has horrible blind spots, like ridiculous. So if you know how to drive, it's not a big deal, but the blind spots are bad. One thing I don't like is the traction control. So you hold down the traction control off button and you can get traction control off and stability control off. You also have the VSC Sport mode, which I don't know really what it does, so I don't use it. I just use traction control off. But if you want to turn all assist off except for ABS, what you can do is you can hold the e-brake 3 times, hold it, brake pedal 3 times, hold it, e-brake 3 more times, hold it, brake pedal twice Turns all controls off except for ABS.
So thank you for watching this little take on this car. Ryan has some plans for this car, I know, so we'll keep you updated on that as the channel. Link in the description for t-shirts. And as always, thanks for watching, subscribe, and tune in for more. Let's go.